Threading a Janome Travel Mate. This is the model 4612. So it's got a pair of thread spools. And it's got a guide on the back here. This guide gets used for bobbin winding. There's a bobbin winding tension button here. Snap over winder and the clutch nut on the end, like so many class 15 machines. For regular threading, thread guide on the back, and then this machine threads backwards, so it comes all the way to the left around the hook, down through the tensioner, and it starts to move to the right under here, continuing right through the take-up arm, through this thread guide, through this thread guide, and then down to the needle where it threads from front to back. This machine will do twin needle sewing and has two guides and on the needle bar to keep your threads separate. And then front load class 15, so it loads the standard class 15 case. And this is a slick little machine with a bunch of built-in stitches, and it's relatively light, but it's not the lightest machine.